Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide. On today's video I'm going to show you how to remove Google Photos account on your phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Google Photos app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you download the app, open the app and sign in with your Google account. Well, whatever Google accounts that you have used in Gmail app on your phone, they all are gonna show up in Google Photos, so be careful. Now to remove that, all you have to do is find your user icon on the top right corner. Then from the drop down menu, you have to scroll down and find manage accounts on this device. Tap on it. Then right below your email IDs, you can see remove from this device option. Just tap on it and select remove. And guys, that's it. That's how you remove Google Photos account on your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.